All right, so it says when graph, which function has a horizontal asymptote at 4? Well, I think it's going to be B. I'll explain why in a second. Well, it's just like the last problem. At some point, my x is going to be negative. And when that's negative, this part right here, the 3 raised to the x, becomes 1 over 3 raised to whatever that negative value is. This is linear, so this isn't going to have asymptotic behavior because this looks like y equals mx plus b. That's going to be a line. It's not going to have asymptotic behavior. This one's linear. Again, mx plus b. That's not going to be linear. It's not, or I mean, it's linear, so it's not going to have a horizontal asymptote at 4. And I probably should back up a second and say, what are they saying when they say a horizontal asymptote? They're saying that when you graph this, there is going to be an imaginary line here at y equals 4 that the graph will not cross. At y equals 4. Oops, let me slide over a little bit. So at y equals 4, so when I go to graph this thing, it's not going to cross that, okay? It might be above the line, it might be below the line. So it's a toss-up between B and D. I'm pretty sure it's B because this is at negative 4. So as this approaches 0, and it will at some point in time, this is going to be negative 4. So I'm pretty sure that it's not this one either. So now we're just going to graph B. Let's see. Turn on my handy-dandy calculator. Let me bring in the big screen. Oh, geez, this thing is going so slow today. What's up with that? There it goes. So now I'm going to graph that function. So I'm going to clear this out. And what was it? It was 2, 3 to the x plus 4, right? So I'm going to say 2 in parentheses 3. Make sure you guys are plugging this in your calculator. Hit this caret symbol, x. Hit the right cursor to get out of that. And then you're going to hit plus 4. I'm going to hit zoom because I just want a standard zoom, which is 6. Now remember, standard zoom is x is from negative 10 to 10 and y is from negative 10 to 10. Now I am going to do this one last thing. It said that there was a vertical asymptote at 4. So hit y equals again. Go down here to the bottom and just put 4. And I want you to see how it has asymptotic behavior. See right there? That's that asymptote. That red line will never cross that blue line. Does that make sense? So let me take a screenshot of that so that you guys can see it in your notes. And so yeah, so what we found was B is the correct answer. That red line is never going to cross that blue line. And that's it for that problem.